In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a contact in Clickfunnels. Maybe you've been testing funnels, importing lists, or just cleaning up old data, and now your contacts section is starting to feel a little cluttered. In this walkthrough, I'll show you how to quickly and safely delete multiple contacts at once, using the built-in tools inside your Clickfunnels account. Start by logging into your Clickfunnels dashboard, and from the main navigation, look for the Customers section. Under Customers, click on Contacts. This is where all of your leads and customers are listed. Give it a second to load, and you should see a table with names, email addresses, and other details, along with checkboxes on the left side of each contact. To delete multiple contacts, you'll first need to select them. Go down the list and check the boxes next to every contact you want to remove. If you're cleaning up test contacts, for example, you can select all of those at once. Take a moment here to double-check that you're only selecting contacts you truly want to delete, because this action is meant to be permanent. Once you've selected your contacts, look for the Bulk Actions button, usually located above the list of contacts. Click on Bulk Actions, and a drop-down menu will appear with different options for managing multiple contacts at the same time. From that drop-down, choose Delete Contacts. This tells Clickfunnels that you want to remove all of the selected records. As soon as you click it, a confirmation window will pop up. This step is really important because it prevents you from accidentally deleting the wrong people from your list. In the confirmation window, you'll be asked to type the word delete into a field. Go ahead and type it in all caps, exactly as shown. This is an extra safety check to make sure you understand that these contacts are going to be removed from your account. After you've typed delete, click the Delete Contacts button in the pop-up to finalize the action. Clickfunnels will then process your request and remove those contacts from your list. Depending on how many you selected, it may take a moment, but once it's done, those contacts will no longer appear in your contacts section. And that's all there is to it. By using the Contacts page and the Bulk Actions tool, you can quickly clean up your Clickfunnels account and keep your contact list organized and up to date.